Alright, what's up guys? Kimmo back for part 2. Last recording was like pretty short, so I didn't keep it, I just deleted it, but we were playing Chat Tit 2, whatever the fuck that is, and yeah, playing with the same people as part 1, so yeah, soak us up. Hopefully we don't fucking die right away like we did last time, but...
We die right away.
Because my guy's fucking
Oh, now
retarded.
he's playing as a new character.
Yes. Look at this guy, look at
Oh shit.
What do you look
What
like?
do I gotta look like?
Holy shit!
he's in like a
You
tight
have, like,
suit.
blue hair. It's like a skeleton shoe.
Guys, let's go this way.
You have blue
Okay.
hair. He has blue hair, and he's in a skeleton hoodie. We're playing on hard nightmare.
Hard.
Hard.
Hey, there's water over here.
Stone path over here.
Okay, go across the stone path.
What? That's you.
Oh well.
That's what your guy looks like.
What? Oh god.
Your guy looks like a fucking like child molester. Your face is so fucked up, it's not even funny.
Yo, here's some stuff.
What do you mean?
Tree.
Wait, that's block. That's.
Hopefully we don't walk around the same spots as we did the first episode, or the first part.
Why is there a giant hand?
Oh, I hear something.
Yeah, there's one right here. It's over there. Come with me.
Here it is.
Okay. I don't wanna die. I think we gotta find one tape before he starts coming after us.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know if I found that.
Nightmare.
Yeah.
Yo, I don't even want to walk in this fog.
My person is slow as fuck.
It's not even fog. That's a rock. Walk through it.
Where was that? I heard it.
Out.
I was
You gotta keep walking.
I was just running. I hear him.
Everyone just walk in a straight line. Like left to right, straight line.
Where do I go? Guys! Found you.
Oh shit!
What are the tombstones? What are these vases over here?
My person looking like slow as balls.
Oh, here's the paper.
This place was completely different by day. It feels kinda similar, but also kinda wrong.
No. I mean, this is a different map than what we were just playing. Can we keep walking straight?
Let's turn right. We can't go straight. There's a giant road. That fall. That fall.
So what is the point not to look at him?
If you look at him, just run.
Ways to our left, so go right, go right, go right.
Oh shit, I lost you.
Stop looking.
Alright.
Yep, he's still behind us.
How many tape reporters we got, 2? Alright, we need 8. Alright, go find tape reporters. I'm slow as crap.
Catch you.
Oh yeah, he's
let's
right
go down to
behind
the
us.
dirt path.
Alright, let's go.
I thought that was a dead deer.
I saw.
That doesn't look
I
like
swear to God, I just saw some fly up there.
He's right behind us.
Are we gonna keep walking down here?
Oh no, go over here.
Ah, Jesse, turn around.
He's right behind me! Why do you guys leave?
Go over here by these shooting
I told
dogs.
you we're going to go right left. You
That's why I don't.
The tape recorder.
Yeah, hold on. I know where it's at. It's right over here.
They don't have shirts on.
Oh, Jesse, where are you?
He's right behind us.
There's a tape recorder around one of those things. Fuck is your behind us?
I think it's close.
I don't even hear it.
We've already been here.
Well, we gotta go back to the human dog thing. There was a
He's back there though.
YOLO.
If it was yellow, it would be like this.
I don't hear a tape.
That was just the water. He's behind us. Where's Jesse?
Go this way.
We just went that way. Grab.
You have good evasion though, Jesse.
What does that mean?
It means if you see him, you can run away faster.
Rape trade. Alex, where are you going?
He's
Oh,
right
I know.
behind us. He's like
Oh, wait.
100. He's 100
Where's
meters
this?
behind us. It's like a crocodile. Turtle.
Oh, I found a tape recorder.
Storage is all pistol just in case.
Alright,
Could have shot him, but I just
where we go? Keep going straight. Yeah, keep going.
Why do I lead?
Every time I lead, I run the wrong way then and then die.
Well, every time you don't lead, you run the wrong way and die. Is there another one over here? Left or right? We're going left.
Yeah, because I think these are to the right.
He's still behind. Oh, great. That's graveyard.
Going in.
First thing you say. Oh yeah, I see a graveyard. Let's go in it. The middle of the night.
There's a tape recorder.
A giant electric thing.
Yo, shut up!
Checking us.
He's right behind us. Can you guys not leave me? It's over here. Here it is.
Oh, holy shit.
I pressed the wrong button. I'm gonna go grab it and then press it back.
maybe they're broken.
Oh, let's go through the trees.
Okay.
How many do we have? 4?
Yeah. Can we walk somewhere?
Yeah, we're going through the trees.
If we stay still, we're probably gonna die.
Next game, I don't want to leave. There's the dragon teeth thing.
I always lead, so you.
Just you lead it.
I'll lead right now.
Oh no, I'm leading right now.
I didn't complain.
Click. Alex, you're in the middle, so you have nothing to complain about.
talking too fast.
Oh! Don't turn around. I'm sorry.
Yep, he's about 20 meters behind.
Who the fuck says in fucking meters?
I don't know, it's close to
Oh! Yeah.
I'm just going straight.
Try and turn around.
Are you guys behind me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh! What?!
He died!
Yeah. He's right behind us.
I didn't even look at him! He just came up and attacked the shit out of me!
Yeah, I know
That's
he
what
can do
happens
that. He can do that.
Oh, well, that was gay as fuck how I died. So, yeah, I'm just gonna end it, you know?